guess what?
What?
You know what?
I don't know.
It's raining. Yeah. It's raining.
Yes.
Raining. Oh, hey, I'm Mariah. This is my younger sister, Cheyenne. So it's raining. Down under.
Yeah, but we're gonna be moving in far away from here.
We're gonna move into the country.
We must was in the country because it's raining.
It's raining here.
No duh, Sherlock.
So we love each other. Not really.
Not really.
We adopted her at birth. Okay. So
we actually don't love each other, but
she's the Joker's daughter. No, I think that's me. She's Batman's daughter. Joker's cooler.
Yeah. She's a real Joker.
She just punched me. So,
she's a real Joker daughter. Yeah. Really.
So we're gonna turn this way so you can see the rain and see us. So, we don't have autumn anymore, so we can't go do. Well, we can do still eat tons fun. Ow. This is Amiga 3. Alright, so. Ow. Alright, so. Love you guys.